How to create a PayPal account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a PayPal account. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser and just search in for PayPal account. So just search in for PayPal and just click on this first link over here, which will take you to official website, that is paypal.com. So once you're inside here, if you already have an account, you can click on this login button over here. But if you already have an account, you can just click on this login button over here. But if you are signing up for the first time, then just tap on this signing up button. So it will ask you to choose between personal or business account. So I will choose personal and just click on get started. And from over here, all you have to do is just enter your email just like this and just click on next. And you just have to enter your phone number and create a password and just follow the on-screen instruction, and you will be getting a verification code through your mobile SMS, and you should successfully confirm it. And just like that, you should have successfully created your PayPal account officially. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.